3 years ago, BYU won IREC. Last year, our rocket tore itself apart in the sky. Today, we write the next chapter of BYU rocketry. We honor the teams that came before, as we now decide how history will remember us. No matter what challenges we face, we will find a way to fly higher.
BYU's competed in the 10K category for this competition a bunch of times before. This last year we tried the 30,000 foot category and we had some successes, but ultimately didn't hit all the goals that we wanted to.
Last year we didn't know what we were expecting with the 30K category. This year we did, so we tightened up a lot of our manufacturing processes and we were able to design with a much better understanding of what forces the rocket was going to need to withstand.
A big change this year was using aluminum fins instead of carbon fiber and integrating that into the rocket with brackets and making fin covers to protect them during transport.
A byproduct of that is that the fins were replaceable, so in our test launch, any damage that was sustained to the fins didn't matter quite as much.
This year we look to show that we can compete in this category and that we can go higher and faster than BYU has ever done before.
We were supposed to do our test launch in Montana, but morning of, as we're about to leave, we get a call from them saying that we're not allowed to launch there anymore due to fire risk. So we spend the next hour or so trying to figure out what we're going to do, and we eventually settle on driving almost twice as far so that we can launch at the far site in the Mojave Desert in California.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With this rocket, we went higher than we ever have on ascent. However, on the descent, we started to encounter problems.
I went into this knowing that, hey, this is a test launch, something is probably going to break. And so the fact that only half of it broke, there wasn't much we needed to change about the rocket design, we just had to build it again.
And we did a complete overhaul of our recovery harness.
We're here at IREC. We're surrounded by more than 100 different rocketry teams from around the world.
This year we're really hoping to win the 30K category.
The atmosphere here is electric and it's super exciting to see what everyone's brought.
Our payload, Phoenix, is a mechanical battery. It stores energy in the form of springs, and then when those springs are released, it converts that spring energy into electrical energy.
We combined research done here at BYU and off-the-shelf parts to build something that's never been done before.
We're really excited to be invited back to the biggest rocketry engineering competition in the world.
The conference day was great. I feel like we've done all the preparations that we can. We're going to try and get some sleep tonight. Getting ready for tomorrow, getting ready for the launch, and we're excited.
We're here at IREC. We're just getting all set up, getting the payload integrated with the main rocket.
The rocket's all ready to go. We were able to cruise through all of the assembly processes after practicing all night.
We just got out here Wednesday morning, a bunch of other teams out here, and we're just waiting to get the rocket launched.
Next up, we have Brigham Young University. I mentioned earlier that this was one of the teams that I judged. They have a beautiful rocket. They did a wonderful job.
And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.